Hey guys, it's Warren Nash and here is a great party and sharing recipe for salmon canapes. And what's different about this recipe is, instead of using pastry, we use circular pieces of bread to put our filling in, which makes them a bit different and easier to prepare.
And this recipe is enough to make about 9 to 10 canapes. Now, firstly, you need to take the salmon drained from a 213 gram can. Then add the salmon to a mixing bowl, being sure to remove any bones. Then take a handful of freshly washed parsley and chives, then finely chop. Add these to the mixing bowl, then take 2 washed salad onions, again finely chop, and add these to the bowl as well. Next, spoon in 200 grams of cream cheese, then squeeze in the juice from half a lemon. Mix all these ingredients together and season lightly with some salt and pepper, then set the mixture aside. Now take 10 slices of white bread, then spread some sunflower spread over one side of each slice of bread. We're then going to use a circular pastry or cookie cutter to cut out a circular piece of bread from each slice. And once you've done that with all the pieces of bread, then take a cake tin. We're then going to place each piece of bread into each of the cups of the tin, making sure the bread is butter side up and it's been pressed down gently. We then need to split the salmon based filling that we set aside earlier into each of the bread based canapes. And then they're ready for the oven. So, in an oven that's been preheated to 180 degrees centigrade, which is 350 Fahrenheit, place your salmon canapes into the oven and bake for between 15 and 20 minutes. When they've just started to turn crisp on top and the bread is turned nice and golden, then remove them from the oven. And finally, serve your salmon canapes garnished with some freshly chopped chives, serve while still hot, and enjoy.